Okay, so this is a true unboxing. Well, it's an unbagging. I'm Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my luxury closet 529. Here we talk about handbags, jewelry, fashion, but mostly handbags because I just love them. And not everything in here is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me, including what is in this bag. So I saw this, it's a Dior piece, and I just pulled it out of my mailbox. I'm getting ready to go see Taylor Swift tomorrow. We're driving to New Orleans and leaving in just a few short hours. And so I thought I would show you this Dior item that I found. Now I know Dior had a little bit of controversy a while back regarding a factory that they used that had inappropriate working conditions. And it's my understanding from my Dior sales associate, who I did not get this from, but she told me that Dior is doing everything they can to ensure excellent working conditions for not only the people that work directly for Dior, but also those that are subcontracted, like was in the case of this factory in Italy. Now, this was actually made in China. It's not an expensive item, but it is definitely fun, and it's a way for me to get a piece of one of their glorious patterns that I love so much without spending a whole bunch of money and breaking the bank. And I think I'm going to put my sleeping stuff for the trip in this bag, like my neck pillow and my little blanket. And so here we go. This is a tote bag. I think it may have been part of a free gift that you got when you bought a beauty purchase or something like that. I have seen tote bags like this for sale from Saint Laurent for $75, $90. And that is what I paid for this. I think it was $90. I'm not sure the exact amount. I think it was $90. And I just love, love, love the pattern on it. I love how it has these scenes from nature, and it's got Christian Dior on that. And then it may have been from a special collection that they did, because on the back it says Dior. I don't know what that means, but Vieira, is that like river or something? I don't know. But anyhow, the inside is just a plain white or cream color, and there is a tag inside that says made in China. And that is why I think that this item was a free gift. Although, yeah, there's the tag. Let me see if I can find it here. It actually has a removable base, which is kind of cool. And there is the made in tag. So, like I said, this isn't something I have to be precious with. I spent $90 on a piece of fabric, basically. But I think it's really cute. I'm going to just put it on and show you for size reference how big it is. There are some people on the resale market that are selling these for like $400. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth that. It's not a super high quality item, but I think it's fun, and I'm going to pack it up with my blanket and neck pillow just to keep them off the ground in the car. Probably give this a light spray of Colonel Carbon Pro before I do that, to kind of keep it maybe from getting dirty quite as fast. But with the color, it's very likely to get dirt on it. And then there's the fact that it's material. The seller I got this from, she is on a lot of the Facebook groups for luxury goods, and I can't remember which Facebook group it was, but her name is Anna Parrott, I think, and I can link her down below. I think she may have a website. Actually, I know she has a website because I checked out with this item on her website. And so I can link her down below. She didn't have any more. She had 4. She had 2 with the navy and 2 with the red. And when I got it, I got the last one. And so I know there aren't any more available at the moment, but you never know. There may be more available in the future. I think it is a fun kind of novelty item and a neat way to get the Dior print, or at least one of them, in a not so expensive package. So now that we're done talking about this adorable $90 tote, I want to talk about my 7,000 subscriber giveaway, because I would bet you dollars to donuts that I'm going to hit 7,000 subscribers this weekend. I have, I believe the last time I checked, I was within 15 or 16, and I haven't checked today. I have been swamped this week working on things. I painted my son's bathroom, and it was kind of a nightmare to cover what was there and start over. And so the last 3 days I've been working on that. That's where I've been. But today we're going to talk about entering the giveaway, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to enter into the competition to win this video. First, you have to like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same as the @ My Luxury Closet 529. Make sure to follow me there. So those are 2 parameters that I would love for you to meet. Now, if you don't have Instagram, you can still enter, but I would really appreciate it if you could do both. And the prize, of course, is this beautiful Dress Up Your Purse mini Boston bag in the pink with the tanned Vachetta leather. I have decked her out with a chain that I custom cut to fit, and also this really cool genuine Louis Vuitton luggage tag that you can take to a Louis Vuitton store and get hot stamped. Speaking of which, I'm going to grab a couple of those to bring with me to New Orleans so that I can get a few more hot stamped. But what I would like for you to do to enter to win this beauty is to go down below and put a dinosaur emoji. That is the first thing. And then say something about my channel that you like. And if you do those things, make sure like, subscribe, go follow me on Instagram if you can. And go down below and put a dinosaur emoji and say something you like about my channel, then you will be entered to win this beauty. And I will announce the winner by contacting you in the next week or so. And I am going to announce the winner by replying to your comment in the next week or so. And when I do that, I would ask for you to reach out to me on my email or DM me, and that information is down in the description box below. Don't contact me any other way, just through the information down in my description box below. My email is myluxurycloset529@gmail.com, and my Instagram is, again, it's the @ then myluxurycloset529. The reason I'm being so detailed about this is people get scammed all the time with giveaways, and that's why I try to put like a 1 as the I for giveaway so that we don't get so many spammers down in the comments. But if somebody says you won and tells you how to contact them down in the comments, that's not me. I am just going to tell you that you won and to reach out to me with my contact information in the description box. That is how you will know if you are the winner. With all that said, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And we've already talked about subscribing. We've already talked about Instagram. So if I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.